that the weather is
Really sunny.
Yeah.
Yes, warm. Yes, smooth is also suitable this weather.
Yeah.
Good. Our course. What is our course?
Our course is
Yes. Good. And to say the architecture, what do you think about? What's architecture? Actually.
In my opinion, architecture is play the main role in the building.
Building. Yes. To build
Yeah.
skyscrapers also. Anyone else? What is architecture?
Sightseeing of the buildings.
Yes.
And type of art.
Yes, it's kind of art. Good. And what is draftsmanship? You know, it is a kind of the drawing. The building is before built. Before built. And our theme today is three-dimensional shapes. But before our main topic, we will revise our homework. What's our homework last lesson?
Two-dimensional.
Two-dimensional shapes used in
In buildings, yes. So our last lesson is two-dimensional shapes, right? What is this?
triangle.
Triangle.
Yeah.
Good. What's this one?
Square.
Square, right? And also, what is this one?
Yeah. No.
Rectangle. Good. What's this one? What's this one? Trapezium. Yes, trapezium. It is. All of these are which type of the shapes? Two-dimensional shapes. Yes, two-dimensional shapes. And so, two-dimensional shapes. Let's remind our goal of our course. So, why the architecture is necessary in our society?
In our society,
To represent our nationality.
Nationality. Yes, good. Why is necessary?
in my opinion, building the
Have our nationality. Yes, our people's minds. Good. Our country also. Yes, we know the American in our history. There's a quote from him, right? Good. So, and the next one is our main topic. Let's jump. Three-dimensional shapes in buildings. So, why is this topic crucial? Why? What do you think?
so how much product we need.
Yes, good. How much product do we need to build? Can I write? So, it's a three-dimensional shape. What's this? It's cube, right? It's cube. Yes, we can hold them. Two-dimensional shapes, we cannot hold them. They have only surface. But three-dimensional shapes, we have lens, width, and also surface. That's why we can hold them. For instance, this is also three-dimensional shape of notebook or what? Good, right? It's three-dimensional and it has kind of lens, width, and surface, and I can hold it. Yes, as you said, to calculate their lens with surface, we can know how much product do we need to build. And yes, that's why it's crucial. So, there is a given three-dimensional shapes. It's for this group. For example, this is your 5 of you, and this one is for yours. Okay, see? Great. And so, before explaining the theme, you should search about these shapes.
From the
Yes, from the internet. What's their names also, please? Just the names. You have 1 minute names. And I will ask you after 1 minute. Did you find it? You find, right? All of you? Can I ask? Yes. So, this one. What is this?
It is
Cube. It is cube. Great job. What is this? It's pyramid. Yes, it's good. What is this one? Kinda look like a cube, but it's prism. Prism. Yes. Rectangle prism. Yes. What's this one? Yes. Cylinder. Yes, it's cylinder. This one? Cone.
It looks like a happy birthday.
Yes, happy birthday cat. And there's so many buildings in our world like this cone.
Yeah. And also it looks like the tent. I mean the tent, you know?
Yes, tents. It looks like the tents also. Great. So let's explain you the cube. It's a cube. I will draw more visibly for you. Pay attention to draw. How to draw? How I'm drawing? Yes.
You're drawing them
Very simple. Yes, very simple. Step by step. Yes. Firstly, you can draw one square, then two square,
yeah.
then
And another
same.
square. Yeah. Yeah.
Great. So it's a cube, and let's look at this. This is cube surface. It's face of cube and flat face. Flat face. Just this is flat. And how many flat faces does cube have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6. Yes, 6 flat faces. And this is cube's edges. These lines. Its edges.
Let's
Let's calculate.
1,
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Yes, cube has how many? 12 edges. Yes. And we have corner also. These corners. Yes. How many corners?
8.
Yes,
Eight
8 corners. 4 up and 4 to the bottom. 8 corners. And next shape is cylinder, right? Cylinder. It's kinda the visible one. Cylinder. Yeah. Cylinder has this is
Flat.
yes,
Face.
flat face. So how many? 2 flat faces. And
Ah.
this one is curved face. Curved face. It means curved, like this.
Yes, curved.
Yeah.
Like this.
Ah.
This face.
Ah,
Curved face. Yes? So does it have corner? Does it have corner?
No.
No. Because does it have edges?
Yes, 2.
Edges? No. It doesn't have edges because two edges never meet each other.
Ah.
Never meet each other directly. So
No edges.
edges.
Only it has a 2 flat face and
Two
also
flat
curved
face and one curved face.
Now,
Great job. And second shape is, you should find it. What is this?
Pyramid.
Pyramid.
Yeah.
Yes, it's pyramid. So how many faces does it have?
One.
1, 2, 3.
3, 4.
1, 5. 1 is at the bottom and 4 is yes. 5 flat faces. And how many corners does it have? One corner.
5.
1 corner. Just 1 corner. And no, it doesn't call it corner. Cannot be a corner. Just 1 corner. Does it have curved faces? No. Yes, 0 curved faces.
What
And
about the edges? in edges, I see, yeah?
Yes. It has edges. So how many edges?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah,
It has 8 edges. Great job. Thank you for remembering. So what is this? It's cone.
Yeah.
Yes, it's cone. Does it have curved face?
Yes.
How many?
1.
That's one. Great. And does it have flat face?
Yeah, 1.
Flat face. One. This one, right?
Yeah.
One flat face. And corner. What about
One.
corner? One corner. Great job. Yes.
Yeah.
Yes. You learned now 5 3-dimensional shapes. It called also the shorter one 3D shapes. Did you hear? 3D shapes and 2D shapes. Great. So now you should watch video.
Three-dimensional or 3D shapes are shapes that take up space. They have 3 dimensions: length, width, and height. The world is made up of 3D shapes. They are all the things we can hold. Your book is a 3D shape. So is your soccer ball, as well as your birthday presents. Can you see how they each take up space? There are some features that are common across 3-dimensional shapes. These features include faces, edges, and corners. The flat surfaces of a shape are called faces. No, not that type of face. The edge of a 3D shape is the line where 2 of its surfaces meet. And the corner is where 2 or more edges meet. A corner can also be called a vertex. The faces of 3D shapes often contain 2D shapes that you may already know. Maybe you can recognize some of these 2D shapes as we go through a few examples. Here are some 3-dimensional shapes and their features. This shape is a cube. A cube has 6 faces that are identical, 12 edges, and 8 corners. All of the faces, edges, and corners are the same size and length. Can you see how each face of the cube is a square? This shape is called a rectangular prism. A rectangular prism has 6 faces, 12 edges, and 8 corners. It's very similar to the cube, except instead of all the faces being squares, they're rectangles. The opposite faces of a rectangular prism are always the same size. This shape is a triangular prism. A triangular prism has 5 faces, 9 edges, and 6 corners. Triangular prisms have 2 faces that are triangles and 3 faces that are rectangles. The 2 triangle faces are always the same size. However, some 3D shapes have more than just flat surfaces. Some have curved surfaces. But we don't call them faces because faces are always flat. This shape is called a cylinder. A cylinder has two circles on each end that are the same size, with a tube in the middle. It has two flat faces and one curved surface. The cylinder also has two edges, but no corners. Remember, a corner is where two or more edges meet. In a cylinder, there are no corners because its two edges do not meet. This is a cone. Not an ice cream cone, unfortunately, but it is the same shape. A cone has a circle at its base and a point at the other end. It has one flat face, one curved surface, one edge around its base, but no corners. This unique shape is a sphere. It's perfectly round, just like a ball. This means it has no flat faces, no edges, and no corners. Just one curved surface. How unique is that? That's what makes a sphere the perfect shape for a ball. It rolls around easily in any direction, and you can kick it without banging your toe on a sharp corner. Now that you know some three-dimensional shapes, perhaps you can spot a few examples of them in your classroom or outside in the playground.
Classroom.
Yes, you see the video, right? So we forget about which shape?
Sphere.
Sphere, right, sphere. Let's discuss sphere. It's the round one, right? So, how many surface does sphere has?
No,
Zero. One surface. One curved. Yes, you are true. So, one curved surface it has, right?
Yeah.
So, what about corner?
No.
No corner. What about edge?
No.
Zero edge. And what about
Face.
face?
Zero.
It has no flat face, right? So, can you give the example for the sphere in our real life?
Ball.
Ball,
Yeah.
globe, right?
Earth.
Earth also
What
a
about
globe.
that?
Now, our head is not like look like just the
Sphere.
yes sphere. It should be the ideal one. Yes, great. So here's the building examples of the 3D shapes. So can you imagine what shape is this? Cube.
Yeah.
It is the building in Arabic, and the Arabs are building this kind of cube skyscraper. And what about this? Pyramid. In our real life now, and to build in Paris, which building? Museum. Which one? Louvre, right?
Yeah.
Like the pyramid. Yes. And what about this one? Cylinder. Look like cylinder, but not ideal one.
Yes.
So what about
Cylinder.
and
Ice cream.
similar? Yes, same with cylinder. And what about this one? It looks like a cone. Good job, cone. It looks like a cone. Yes. So you learned about three-dimensional shapes. So now you should search the definition of these shapes. So it's for you, the prism, and this is for Zufra. This is for you, please. So it's for you, Shahzoda, Vinira, pyramid, and this is our from task for you. definition of these shapes. Definition. Firstly, who will answer? So I just ask one by one. So, Glee, what's your shape?
Rectangular prism is with sides that are triangles and of their 6 faces and made of the face of the curved faces.
Yes, true. Can you draw it on the whiteboard? Okay. This one's for you. Yes, next one. Who will be try to answer? So, yes, you please come. Yes, look like a cube, right? Look like a cube, but you should do this. Yo, no, it's not a cube. It's rectangular. Yours is
Okay, mine is cube. Cube is a three-dimensional geometric shape that has following characteristics. There are 6 equal faces. It has 6 equal faces, all the same size, and 6 equal edges. Each consists of 12 edges. And the vertices angles. It has 8 angles. Symmetry. A cube is highly symmetrical.
symmetrical,
Yes,
yes.
it's belongs to group of regular polyhedra. Volume and surface area. If the length of edge is A, volume also will be A.
Yes,
Can I
it's
draw
great. Yes, you can draw it. So can you be good job? It's cool. And thank you to Rosa. So next, who? Can you come, please, Firuza? Miss Firuza. So it's cube, right? Good. Good job. Thank you.
This is a triangle. Triangle is a three-sided polygon that consists of 3 edges and 3 vertices. The most important property of a triangle is that the sum of the internal angles of a triangle is equal to 180 degrees.
So that's it. Okay. Draw it. Triangle, right? Alright. 3 corners, 1 face,
3-sided.
3-sided. Yes, 3-sided. True. Thank you. So next one, you can please.
Okay, this shape is cone. It's a 3-dimensional geometric shape and it tapers from a flat and circular base to a single point follows the vertex. It is defined by its radius, height, slant, and height also.
Height also. Yes, true. Can you draw it? Yes, that's cone, right? Thank you. Who will be next? Can you, Vinera? Miss Vinera? So yours is
This is pyramid. It's a 3-dimensional geometric shape made up of flat faces, a base and triangular faces which meet at a point called apex.
yes.
And 3 main features of the pyramid are faces, vertices, and also edges.
Edges, yes. It's main parts of pyramid, right? Can you draw it?
Yeah.
So who will the next one? Can you please come?
This shape is cylinder, a body bounded by cylindrical surface and 2 parallel planes.
Great, yes. Can you draw? Yes, very beautiful. It is simple. Thank you very much. So next one. Who will be next? My dear. Can you come?
My shape is square, as you can see. So square has 4 equal streets. and actually 4 right angles. And also all 4 sides are square, are equal in length. Actually the opposite sides of a square are parallel to each other.
Yes, parallel to each other. Yes. So it's an easy one, I think.
Yeah.
Thank you, Miss. So next one, Aziza, please. You can also count, by the way. So
This shape is trapezium. Trapezium is
yes.
a quadrilateral with one pair of parallel sides.
So you should draw, right?
Yes.
It's a parallel side.
Yes.
So dimensional shapes are easy to draw because just yes. Thank you. So Simara, your shape is
This is a rectangle.
rectangle.
Rectangle is its parallel sides equal to each other, and all the 4 vertices are equal to 19 degrees.
19 degrees, yes. Because of them, it is rectangle. It's also easy to draw. It should be parallel. A and B should be parallel. And after this, we would learn about spreading them. Spread means to do them like a flat. To cut and do them like a flat. So there is given the rectangle prism, right? Can you see how they spread them? So can you count surfaces?
1, 2, 3, 4.
Yes. It's the same with rectangle also, prism also. Yes.
Yes. 6. Yeah.
There's given a test, but before doing test, you should also watch about another 3D shapes. The spreading 3D shapes. So, this one. So, they spread firstly, then gather them. Yes. You can do this kind of toys with your students or with your classmates. You know how many faces, how many edges, how many corners, and how many surfaces of these shapes has. And you should do this test by knowing these figures. So, can you divide 3 groups? You, so 6 of them, 1 row, and you also 1 row, and you also 1 row, please. Can you do this? Can you
No, I'll join them.
then? So you should find the true spreading flat.
Okay.
The true of them. Reason for the mark or circle the true answer. Firstly, to calculate, to count the surfaces. Yes, great. Let's check. So, first question, it's what is this? It's cone, right?
Yeah.
The cone. Which answer is true? A is true. All of you is A?
Yes.
The second one? It's freeze.
Yes.
So,
B.
B. Right. What about third question? So it's yes, 5 corner pyramids. A. Yes, it is A. Why it's A?
Because
How you find it?
because there are five.
I say like this because it has 5 faces and 1 flat face. On the bottom. Yes. Fourth.
Cylinder.
Cylinder. It is C. All of you?
Yes.
It's a cylinder. Yes. Fifth question.
It is pyramid.
It's pyramid. Yes. As I draw, it's pyramid. So it's B. Why it's B, not A?
Because there is
Square on the bottom and 4 faces. Yes. What about 6?
It is B.
B. C. Why B?
Because there are
How many corners on the bottom? On the bottom, on 5.
2.
No, the corners.
6.
6. Yes.
6.
Yes, 6. So, as you said, it's 6 corners and 6 faces also it has, right? So, does it have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7? You said B?
Yeah.
You said B, right? 1, 2, 3,
There is
4,
5.
5. But it's 5. But it has 6. So, can you prove why?
Yeah, because as you said, there is 6 faces.
Yes.
And also
So, 6 corners.
and 6 corner in the bottom and the top.
Yes, great, good job. So the true answer is C. So last one, can you do Fatima? So can you prove it? Because yes, it's A. So how many faces does it have? 6 faces. And yes, 12. Great. So do you have any wrong answers? Do you have any wrong answer? Do you have one wrong answer? But you do the first, and winner group is your group. Congratulations. Before ending our lesson, we will do some exercise by watching the video, and we will do summarize our today's lesson. So you should watch the video, then you should repeat that words, and just finding the name of that shapes actually. So
Dimensional shapes in English. This is a
cylinder.
cylinder. This is a
Cube. Yes.
cube. What about this?
Pyramid.
Yes.
A pyramid. This is a
Cone. Second.
this is a
Sphere. Yes.
sphere.
Sphere.
What's this?
It's what? Prism.
Tell me in the comments.
Yes, it's prism, but there's also another name for this. So it's your homework. To the next lesson, you should find its name. So yes, our lesson is over. Thank you for all of them.
Thank you.
And so we have the great students today. So Sevinç, Lee, Aziza, Snora, Fatima is the great students today. So thank you for your